I am cooking.
Yeah.
Bula everyone, welcome to the cooking demo this afternoon. So today you're gonna learn how to make chicken curry, boneless chicken curry and Fijian roti. Hope when you go back home, then you make roti for your husband.
I like roti.
Or pate, please can you make roti for your
I don't
wife?
have a husband,
Yeah.
Hope so. So preparation time is only 15 minutes. This is all the ingredient.
Oi.
Wow. The fresh tomato.
Can you explain the spices?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. This one is the mustard seed, and this is the
seed.
black pepper. This one is the masala, garam masala.
Garam masala.
This one is the curry powder,
Curry powder.
powder, yeah.
the garlic and the
Garlic
ginger,
and ginger,
the onion,
onions,
salt,
Okay.
and this one is the bay
bay
leaf.
leaves.
Okay.
Oi. Simple ingredients, yeah?
Simple's good.
Yeah.
Simple but flavor sound good.
I'm simple.
And
Okay,
here
wait,
on
wait,
my stove-
Chef, what's your name?
So my name is Chef Reama.
Oh,
Reama?
Yes.
Reama.
Nice to meet you, Reama.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, Reama.
Beautiful smile.
Yeah.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
Don't cry, don't cry.
So first thing you have to do, you have to heat your pot. When your pot is hot, very hot, then you put your oil, but not too much
What
oil.
kind of oil?
This is vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil, yeah.
Yeah, if you don't like vegetable oil, you can use olive oil.
Okay.
So first thing you have to do, you have to put your bay leaf.
Oh, this is always the last thing I put in.
Now in Fiji it's first.
You're from Germany, so it's okay.
Then your onion.
That's the recipe for tuna. Tuna kebab.
Tuna kebab.
This is curry, Fijian curry. Garlic, ginger,
Hustle it, dang.
toss it.
A pinch of salt.
Salt.
It already smells amazing.
Wow, man.
That's the thing with a little bit of bay leaf and then
So curry powder is the turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder.
Yeah. Turmeric powder. Nature and milk, so yellow. Yeah.
Tomato.
This is the fresh tomato. So you can use the whole peel tomato as well.
Add your chicken. Boneless chicken. Only female chicken, not the
Is it chicken thighs?
Chicken thigh.
chicken thighs, yeah? Okay.
Great, I love chicken thighs.
More flavor.
Yeah. More fat. Alright,
This one is the normal flour.
Okay.
No yeast, no baking powder, no baking soda, nothing.
Nothing, just flour.
Nothing, just plain flour.
Nice.
local flour, yeah.
Local flour.
So guys, also here we have some
So you're
the
not
recipe
using the
now.
roti flour, which you can already
You
buy.
can use that roti flour too, but
Okay.
the taste is very different.
Yeah,
Yeah,
taste is
so you
different.
prefer this one?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Good to know.
This is the ingredients for the Fijian
salt.
chicken curry. Yeah, you can screenshot it.
So instead of butter, I put oil, vegetable oil.
Okay.
Vegetable oil.
So oil first.
So a little bit of
Salt,
salt. And then oil.
pinch of salt, oil.
Drizzle of oil. So this is the very hot water,
Okay.
It's not boiling, but hot.
boiling water. It's
It
very
is
hot.
Yeah.
So now I have to mix that hot water together with this.
The kids are smelling the food. Wow.
I want roti. Yeah, I want roti. I want food. So now you make the dough for roti.
Yes.
That was actually a surprise for me that there was roti here. That was like,
Because he loves roti.
Yeah.
Because in Germany, it's usually always
it's
steaming.
Wow.
It's steaming. Yes.
So soft.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
Good to know.
She said.
It's
What's
like touching
texture,
the
right? You want to know the
yeah,
texture
yeah,
if
yeah.
you want to make it yourself.
the
yeah.
balloon. Water balloon. Like yeah, feel the water inside the balloon. So touch it.
Oh, is it the texture
Yeah,
like
texture,
that? Like, yeah.
And it's very hot.
Curry is
So
almost
last-
ready.
Is the coriander.
Coriander leaves.
Team coriander.
Yeah.
I love coriander. man.
Yeah.
Hey. Put it under the. Nice.
When you put the coriander, same time.
Turn it off.
Because otherwise,
Now the curry is ready, and we have to concentrate on doing roti.
yeah. Okay. So you put the dough in the
Flour. Yeah. Not to stick, yeah?
I have to dust the roti,
Yeah.
the flour, the dough first, then I put it in the board.
You
If
turn it
not-
around whilst you're rolling and you turn it.
Yeah.
Wow. What a skill.
Master at work.
Master, yeah.
Oh, straight in the pan.
So from the pan, no need to grease with oil or butter.
Oil.
Just dry pan.
Just dry pan. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's it.
Curry, chicken is ready. So now we just wait for the roti.
Thank you.
Oh, you say you're welcome in Fijian?
Vinaka, just Vinaka.
Pinaka.
Vinaka is thank you, is welcome, is
Yeah, Pinaka.
Dankeschön.
Dankeschön. Dankeschön, liebe Schatz.
Ja, Dankeschön.
Bitteschön, bitte sehr, yeah. Well, that's my most favorite word in the German language, Schatzi. I love it so much. And then my friends always say Schatzi to me. Because I always tell them Schatzi and it's fun.
Oh, it's growing.
Wow, bubbling.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Only in Yasawa.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, one is ready.
It smells already.
Yeah.
Maybe I just a little bit of flour and
Like so.
some kip in somewhere and
Ja, dat was in de eerste toon al.
Nee, oh.
Jawel, dat was in...
Ook hier.
Nee, hier.
Defo, ook hier.
Ik weet niet meer.
So you have the chicken curry or lamb curry? Or
Chicken.
chicken?
Yeah,
Ah, the
chicken.
lamb curry.
Chicken is
Yeah.
good.
I don't like
In pasta, for me back home, if I make pasta,
Okay, guys,
dry and
the moment of truth. We have to try the roti and curry now.
we're gonna try it.
Yeah, we need to try
There you go, my love.
Nice.
Kim hindi ko lang
Set.
Ikut tarat na pamando.
They're getting some chili.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's not spicy at all. No.
It's not spicy at all, no. But it's really tasty.
Dank u, lieve Chelsea. Dank u.
Okay, let's try the
Let's try.
curry. Wait, another piece. I take another piece.
Kijk, tasty. Het is Nederlands.
Ik wil niet dat hun...
Kachi,
Kati.
palawa. Mate, totoka. Mate nilavo.
Nice.
Come guys, let's dive in. Let's dive in. Let's dive in.
So good.
So good.
It's interesting because back home we use kousenband, like beans.
What's that? Oh, beans.
Like beans, like green beans and potatoes.
Yeah.
That's in the curry from Suriname, and this is like different. It's like
Completely different.
it's different.
But it's
Same origin,
Yeah.
different outcome.
Yeah.
from outcome.
Solo sa teman naruki.
Thank you, Chef Reama. So tasty.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Lekker.
Nakapakalevo.
When you
Is it too hard or?
no, when you roll the roti,
Yeah.
don't press it hard. You have to do it like this.
Like this.
Let the rolling pin do the job.
Okay. But it's not turning.
It's okay.
Look, then I always do it like this.
Yeah, it's okay.
But
At least you do something better.
better than nothing.
Yes.
At least I know that you don't know how to make roti.
No matter how it looks like, yes, it's roti.
Yes.
As long as the taste
Yeah,
is
but I
there.
would like to have it like
I want to
like
try.
yours.
I want to try.
You want to try?
Yes.
Yeah,
after you,
do
I wanna
it. Is it
try.
already big enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try. Have a try.
Yeah, I'll have to try.
Thank you, Connie. Oh, vinaka.
So guys, if you need a chef to come and cook curry and bake roti, don't forget this face here, Reama.
Reama.
Queen of the
Yama.
roti.
Queen of the roti. Yeah.
See, I'm sweating because
really
of the hot curry.
yeah.
Hot curry. Chili, man. Super delicious curry. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, Reama.
Thank you, Pate. Thank you, Connie.
Reama, your partner would be so happy to take you. Just eat and sleep and eat. Some new friends here
From the Netherlands, all
from
the
the
way.
Netherlands. Bula Vinaka.
Just our neighborhood, huh?
Yeah, just our
Jeffrey?
neighbor, yeah.
Rowie.
Oh, oui.
Jeff and Rovi. Jeffy. Or
Jeffy.
Jeffy. Jeff is all good. Jeff is
Jeff.
all good. Yep. Jeff. Jeffy. All good. With a lovely roti, with the lovely
Yeah.
roti king.
Reina, the queen.
Thank you.
Jeff. With the roti queen.
I was sweating of all the chilies, but it was really good. And now we have a little drink. We have the coconut. It's so
Fijian
good, eh?
coconut, amazing.
Later you should try the Fijian kava.
Oh yeah, we are.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
are. It's
Have you
on the
tried
schedule.
it? Have you tried it before?
No,
No,
Not yet?
not yet. No, no.
Because today I'll bring the kava.
All right.
So
You
we
do?
have some kava. Yeah. Because the kava we gave is not good. It makes me
Okay.
sick.
All right.
So you'll bring the
Bring us the
kava,
good
yeah.
kava.
Yeah.
And
I'll
you
take
would,
it.
yeah.
I would say kava.